Welcome, friends. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your solar chakra reading for the week. It's a little mini 3-card spread to help you nourish this chakra, bring it into balance, and look at some other energies from different realms that you can bring in to help evolve it. We'll start with a card representing the chakra itself, which will be from the Earth Warriors Oracle. And we have Pueo, guardian of the awakened. Through the form of Pueo, the guardian owl of Hawaii, invisible help from the spiritual worlds is with you, guiding and protecting you through spiritual warfare, seen and unseen. The concept of being in battle may seem far removed from what is, for many modern people, a fairly comfortable daily existence. Yet when we feel blocked from fulfilling our life purpose, whether due to a busy schedule, inner doubts, external obstacles, or some other unknown reason, spiritual warfare is exactly what is taking place. Pueo comes to you with powerful protection for your soul during spiritual battle. Even when you cannot sense the spiritual light, it is with you, taking the form of allies in the realm of nature, soul, and spirit to secure your safe passage through challenge and into fulfillment. The Hawaiian legend of Pueo, I'm reading the E as a C. Pueo tells the story of a man, Oahu, who robbed an owl's nest. Upon hearing the sadness of the owl's protest, he was overcome by compassion and returned the precious items to the nest, revering the owl as a sacred creature worthy of respect and protection, honoring her as a divine being. This was considered blasphemous by the ruling lawmen, and Oahu's execution was ordered. As the execution was about to take place, owls began to gather, darkening the skies with their wings, making it impossible for the executioner to see or act. And Oahu walked free, protected by the sacred feminine that he had chosen to protect. As spiritual beings, we have great power to take from this world, to use and exploit the feminine world of soul and nature to suit our own personal agendas. Yet when we honor the soul realm as sacred, protect the feminine, and recognize her dignity, we can trust in her generosity and assistance in return. When we forego disrespect and theft, she will answer us with extraordinary reward. She comes as a reminder that the soul realm of the divine feminine is real, powerfully active, and influential in the earthly realm. Through impediments and restraints that have been imposed on you by the physical world may seem intimidating, and your mind may become enraged and want to dominate circumstances in response. Pueo brings reassurance. She is capable of overcoming the odds against you, freeing you to live the life you are spiritually destined to live. Have faith in that which you know to be sacred, even when those around you cannot recognize its true nature. When the Divine Mother comes to you as this owl goddess, she also brings a warning to pay attention to anything that would undermine your joy, your sense of effectiveness and your purpose, and anything or anyone that provides distraction or drains your vitality. Claim your right to life and win the spiritual battle by honoring the necessity of your own soul expression. Allow her to use her lethal talons and unparalleled skills in the hunt to locate and destroy any influence that would lead you to your demise. Be willing to trust, let go, and change course, or affirm your current path and let nothing derail your progress, according to your inner soul guidance at this time. Now we're going to bring in a card representing the inner earth cities chakra. We're going to take it from the Crystal Grid Oracle. And this message is meant to support our last one. So we have candle quartz is a light bringer. You have a soul purpose, and you're here to help heal the earth. At times, you feel like your light is not shining bright, but at other times, you feel so bright that you illuminate everything, everywhere you go. The role of a light worker is at times very tough, and sometimes we wonder why we ever decided to come to Earth. Keep your chin up and keep pushing forward. You may feel that you aren't really doing much, but know your purpose is great. Go forth knowing that every action, whether big or small, is making a difference. You are on the right track. Keep up the good work and continue to shine the light so others may find their way. Candle quartz is a beautiful crystal to meditate with, to bring light to a situation. You may want it to see into the darkest places of yourself. Find your soul purpose, or find more clarity in your current life path. It is a very gentle quartz when used this way. If you can't find your own light, draw on the qualities of this card or crystal. You can also use candle quartz to call on your guides or totem animals. They are present on your soul journey and will always remind you that you are not alone. Call on candle quartz when you need help lighting the way for not only yourself, but for others as well. And our last card is Willpower from the Blue Messiah deck, representing the Soul Star Chakra. The tallest oak in the forest was once just a tiny nut that held its ground. These are days you feel as though you cannot sustain your energy or reach your goals. This can be disheartening, and indulging in unhealthy habits can be all too easy. This card serves as a reminder to you that it is time to turn what you already know into what you do. Willpower is the driving force behind your strength and determination. It is born from the willingness to change your present situation. This inner power can overcome emotional and mental resistance and literally transform your life. The first step in developing willpower is finding the willingness to make change. This is the most important step, as it forms into the motivating force you need to carry you through. The stronger your will, the stronger your ability to persevere and successfully achieve your goals. The second step to strengthening your will is applying discipline and focus. Although this step can be challenging some days, walk through it and just do what needs to be done. Willpower accompanied by self-discipline ultimately will lead you to self-mastery, instead of being a slave to unhealthy patterns. You don't attain willpower and discipline. They are already inside you. Go now, reclaim your will, and take back the reins of your life. A good exercise for this is to wake up early and dance or walk for 30 minutes. And an affirmation to close with. I have the willpower and perseverance to accomplish anything. I set my heart and mind to. Thanks so much for joining me for this little set of messages for you today. I do hope that they have blessed you. I wish you a gorgeous, beautiful, spectacular day, and please join me again. Tomorrow I will be doing the heart chakra.